Did you know that the choice of a radio frequency cable assembly can make or break your electronic system's performance? Selecting an RF cable assembly requires considering several essential factors: frequency range, impedance matching, and connector types. A well-matched frequency range and impedance can significantly reduce signal loss. RF cable assemblies consist of a coaxial cable and connectors. Key components include the inner conductor, dielectric material, outer shield, protective jacket, and connectors. Start by defining your application requirements, such as device compatibility, environment, and budget. Next, consider frequency range and impedance to maintain signal quality. Choose connectors like SMA or N-Type based on your needs. Lastly, evaluate environmental conditions and mechanical constraints to ensure long-lasting performance. For custom solutions, circuit assembly can help you achieve the perfect balance of performance and budget. Like and subscribe for more expert tips.